to Edochié Cosmetic Designs. I'm Patina Edochié, and thank you for joining me today. Feel free to like and subscribe. And what I'm going to do today, I know if you haven't seen my All About Brows video, go and check that out. That's where I go into a lot of detail about just doing a high arch. That's very classic and all of that, so check the link out. But today, since I talked so much about soap brows in there, I'm gonna try it, y'all. I've never tried the soap brow as far as like arching mine. I'm usually really precise. So we're gonna try it. I think it's gonna be cute. So let's see. So yeah. Let's see how this gonna be. First, we're gonna start off by mapping off my eyebrows using the golden ratio. It's a rough one. It's not very precise where I'm using my calipers, but I'm using this one, so that link will be in there. And any kind of white eyebrow pencil just to kind of shape them up, and a brow brush. So I'm just brushing my brows up just so I can see the shape of them. And I'm going to try to keep them thick since I got a lot of good new growth. I'm going to use a cocoa butter stick as well so I already had it under there. Today I'm going to focus more on the bottom though, because I still kind of got a shape. Push it up again. Right, now I'm going to measure it. I really don't even have to mess with that. Usually when you're doing the regular arching, you mess with all of this, and unless you just really got a lot of hair going in the middle, you know, where you can just kind of hit that a little bit if you want to. The difference in the last video and this video with soap brows is you really don't have to focus too much on that and the top. It's more so the bottom that I'm concerned about. Unless you have close set or wide set eyes. If close set and your brows go in beyond that line, then yeah, you can kind of shave that down so it doesn't make your eyes look even more close together. You can even go further out if you want to give it even extra space. But if it's wide set, then if you don't have any hair there, then maybe you can choose to fill it in a little bit further just to kind of balance it out. And so yeah, I'm gonna make sure that from the corner of my nose here, that's gonna be my tail, so I don't want that to go past there. My arch, we're gonna go somewhere between the middle and outside part of the iris. Here. Okay, so in mapping using the golden ratio, I'm not going out, my tail not going out more here, arch here. I'm not really messing with this, and I'm really just focused on the bottom. So I'm gonna block this out. Come on this side. Okay, now I'm about to arch it. I'm going to shape it. Okay, so you pull the hair so you can see. I'm using my razor. And just kind of arch where you made your markings at. Hopefully not cutting your tail off unless you're going to do one of those exotic style brows where it's angled more up. But if not, then yeah, don't worry Make sure you don't do the tail off. And make sure you wipe off the excess on a paper towel. I think I got it for the most part. This you don't have to focus on being as precise as the other one. You know I'm so used to that, y'all, but yeah. So that's it, looking clean up. See? It's like I'm debating. Oh, I'm so tempted. If I was doing it, I would go there, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it, y'all. Oh, I'm not used to it. Alright, okay, other side. Okay. Let's go under there. This side, you know, brows are never exactly the same, and I noticed, or maybe you notice, that this side of my tail always tends to be a little thicker than this one, but that's just how my brows are. Okay, now to add the stuff to kind of define the hairs a little bit more, keep them in place. And now to define them, aka soap brow, I am using like an eyebrow gel. You could actually use clear soap. I just don't have no clear soap. Okay, there we go, y'all. Just take the brow gel and brush them up, really, because it's not hard. It's just trying to make it look like it's your brows. Let's take it. And you see how it's just kind of defining the brow hairs? Because normally I would have cut all that off the top. But you see the difference, right? And this, and this. Just use my finger to kind of lay it down. What y'all think, y'all? Ooh, this right here. I'm so used to having it clean. This is just... It's like I'm so tempted to take the razor, but I don't want to lose that definition, because if I cut that, that's just gonna make that straight. It's not gonna let the hairs lay down. But oh my god, y'all, I might have to nip it a little bit, because this don't even look like that. I'm gonna hit right here, y'all. Ooh, I can't hear myself. I think it was that part that would bother me the most. Oh Jesus, am I messing it up? I think I'm still okay. Hit that one little hair right there or something. And I'm gonna try my best not to mess with that. That's supposed to be there. Because if I do it, it's gonna look too blunt cut right there. I'm gonna try to leave it alone. Oh my god, y'all, when you're not used to this. In that instance, I probably should have used tweezers instead of a sharper razor to get those few little hairs in this section. Okay, all right, I'm gonna leave it alone, y'all. I'm going with it. I'm going with it. All right. You can see the hairs. Oh my god, this is so different.
Just let it be, Monster. Oh my god.
Okay, y'all. Now, this is a microblade pen style brow thing. Oh Lord, it's a liquid eyebrow pencil. It's got 4 prongs on there, which is kind of cool. So, especially for where you want to fit it out a little bit, that's what I'm about to do. So, let's see, and I'm gonna go. Oh my God, this is so tricky because I still wanted to have that effect. So I want to kind of fill out the tails first and do them in like short strokes like hair. Shake it before you use it. Alright, so they just kind of fill that out. I'm trying not to do it too much. And I'm going to hit under there where I normally fill in it. Just to kind of make it look a little thicker. Oh yeah, this is so different for me. Oh my God. It may not look too different to y'all, but this is to me a little bit. I'm going to say so different and a little bit at the same time. I don't know. See how I'm just kind of filling in. But the key is we want it to look natural. We don't want it to look, you know, too much. I definitely gotta thicken up my tail a little bit over here. And a little spot where I thought I hit it a little bit too much, that's the time to kind of fill in slightly. If I want to, I could make extra hairs, but it's like, yeah, why not? Oh, Jesus. How we look? Alright, y'all. Y'all like it? You can kind of see where it looks defined, I guess. This is the before. This is after shaping. This is using the eyebrow gel to set the brows and define them and give them that soap brow effect. And instead of using brow powder, I use this waterproof liquid eyebrow pencil with a micro fork tip applicator to kind of make it look like hairs, to slightly fill it in certain spots today, you know, for a natural look. And there you have it, the soap brow effect. All right, well, that covers that, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. Yeah, it's a little different for me, a little thicker than I would have normally done, but I mean, I don't know, I like it, especially for when you're going for like a little natural thing like this, you know, it ain't too much going on with the makeup, so that's cool. I likes it. We'll see how long I keep these. Alright, y'all. Well, hope this is helpful. Hope y'all enjoy it. Thank you for watching. And please remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.